How to fix copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. First of all, you have to check the internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to an stable internet connection. If you don't have Wi-Fi connected, then you can switch to mobile data. Then after that, you need to open Play Store on your mobile device. Then you need to check for the updates of Telegram app. If you do not update your Telegram app, then you won't be able to enjoy the latest features that are on the Telegram app, and then the glitches and bugs might occur on your device, which might create the different kinds of problem in the later days. So updating your application is very important. So if you see update button, just tap on update and update your app. The second thing you can do in order to fix this issue is you need to go to the app info page of Telegram. For that, tap and hold the Telegram app and select I button. Once you're on this app info page, tap on storage uses and you need to tap on clear cache. Clearing cache will fix the glitches and different kinds of bugs that are on the Telegram app, which will help you to fix different kinds of issues. So clearing cache is the next way you can do in order to solve this issue. Then, doing this two steps, if it is not helping you yet, then you need to use the public channel. Using the public channel will help you to fix the copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel issue. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.